Let's see how to restore a not working or not detecting flash drive. This flash drive was corrupted while I trying to change the device storage on TV using this. I mean, try to extend the storage. So then I removed the flash drive and try to connect this on phone. The drive was not shown on phone and also on PC. I can hear the sound, but I haven't see the drive, so it's corrupted completely. Let's see how to fix this on Mac. I just connect this on USB port, USB-C port. Okay, it shows the disk you attached was not readable by the computer. Initialize. Okay, we have the first aid option. First try the first aid option. Here it shows, but if I connect this on PC, it haven't. Click first aid, run, continue. Okay, it's done. Click done. Let's see if it shows anything. This looks like going to work. I think it haven't shown here. Let's again check that. Command space and type disk and open this. Double tap. Make sure it's selected to external and click first aid. Run. Okay, let's try to restore the flash drive. Restoring gets failed. Let's erase the flash drive. I select the format to exFAT and erase. It's done. Let's see. Just go to Finder. Yeah, got it. We successfully retrieved the flash drive. I just changed the name. Rename as flash drive like it was before. Done. That's it. You can see get details 62 gigs. You can see the details. That's it. Let's check by transfer any photos into that. It's done. You can see it's okay. I just rejected that. That's it. This is how you need to successfully restore or give life to corrupted flash drive by using your Macbook. I tried this on PC and also on iPhone and TV. The problem was not done, but using this first aid option and format option on Mac, we can easily give life to flash drive. This is all you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about flash drive, you need to watch this playlist.